Now, in my how to drive video, a lot of people have expressed their fear about hitting the gas pedal too much, accelerating too much, and they are afraid that if they hit the gas pedal too hard, they will hit something. Let me tell you what you can do to get around that fear. So what you want to do as a new driver is that you should forget about everything, and just focus on the gas pedal and the brake pedal and look in the front. That's it. And that is why you must drive in an empty parking lot in the beginning. Do not go to a crowded place, because if you do, then other things will take your focus away. So this is what I do with my new students. Before we get on to acceleration, we first want to focus on how to brake properly, okay? So you want to learn how to brake properly. So you take your foot off the brake pedal. In an automatic car, when you take your foot off the brake pedal, the car starts to move. Let it move. You want to get used to the brake pedal. Brake gently and see how it goes. Brake gently, go slow, like this, okay? So don't go like this, okay? Because if you do, then you'll feel the jerk, okay? And that's a feedback, right? So that tells you that you're braking too hard. You shouldn't be braking like this. You should go gentle on the brake. And after you've mastered braking, then you want to move on to acceleration, okay? And then, because you want to get used to switching between the two pedals. And let's see how it goes. Now see, there are pedestrians. I will wait. I will not move, okay? I'll let them go, and when it's clear, I'll start moving, okay? And now I'll take my foot off the brake pedal, let the car move, and gently press the gas pedal. And don't be worried. Even if you hit the gas pedal too hard, take your foot off immediately of the gas pedal and put it on brake, and brake gently. Don't get nervous, okay? So we'll try that again. Take the foot off the brake pedal, accelerate gently, just like the way you did it with the brake pedal. You were going gentle with the brake pedal. You accelerate gently, take your foot off, press the brake. So this is what you want to do. So you want to get used to switching between the two pedals, okay? So accelerate, brake, accelerate, and brake. Accelerate a little more, and then brake gently. You'll get used to it, okay? It's just a matter of time. Everyone starts with these baby steps, right? Every master was once a disaster. You must know this, okay? Just know that with a little more practice, you will get there. You will get used to it, and you will not even have to think about when and how much to press the pedal after 2 or 3 lessons maybe, okay? And that's what I've seen with most of my students. Now, the next question I have is, a lot of people have difficulty driving in a straight line as new drivers. The reason a lot of people are not able to drive in a straight line is because they're looking right in front of the car, in front of the hood, or maybe a couple of meters in front of the hood, whereas they should be looking in a straight line, parallel to their eyes, straight up to 10 to 15 seconds in front of them, okay? Let me show this to you how most experienced drivers do it, okay? Now, I'm in my lane, and I'm looking far ahead. I see the car, I see the fire hydrant, I see the bus stop, okay? Most new drivers, and I'm telling this from experience, I've talked to them, and when I ask them where were you looking, they will say we were just looking a couple of feet in front of us, okay? And that is why they're not able to stay in the straight line. Now, I see up to the lights. If you see up to the lights, there's no way you could go wrong. You will just get pulled into it. You've thrown an anchor into the lights, and then the lights are pulling you towards them. So there's no way you can veer away from the lane if you're looking that far. Now, the next thing is driving alongside cars. There are cars parked on this road, and I'm going to show you how you can stay away from the cars, not going too far or not going too close to the car, okay? So what I do is I mark a line on the road on which I have to drive, like an imaginary line. In this case, it would be that shadow, right? So I'm going to drive in straight line with the shadows. I'm looking there, right? I'm not even looking at the car. I was far enough from the car. I was far enough, okay? So I can give you a reference point. You know what? Let me tell you this. Okay, so here. Okay, now the tires of the car are intersecting with almost the middle of the front of the car. You cannot use that as a reference while driving. If there are so many cars parked alongside you, if you're driving in downtown, if your focus is here, then there's no way you can avoid a crash, because you go where you look. That is the thumb rule of driving. And you don't want to use too many reference points while driving. While parking, using reference points is okay because you do it with pauses, but while driving straight, you should not be using reference points. I do not recommend that. I know a lot of people have made videos with reference points, but that has never made sense to me, because how can you focus on a reference point while you're driving straight? So let's try this with this car now, okay? So I'll draw an imaginary line and I'll stay beside the shadow. This is a safe distance. This is a very safe distance. So friends, any learning starts with baby steps, okay? Whether it was learning how to walk, learning how to ride a bike, learning anything, learning how to write, they were all baby steps, okay? So you gotta have patience, and you gotta give yourself the time that it will take for you to learn. Now, every person has a different learning curve. Now, your friend might learn driving in just 10 lessons, but there are people who take 15 lessons. That's okay, and it's okay. The objective is not to get there fast, it's just to get there, okay? The destination is getting the license and becoming a safe driver. Becoming a safe driver should be your focus and not just getting the license, okay? If there's anything that you feel you're struggling with as a new driver, let me know. I'll make more videos to help you out. This is what I do. I want to help more and more people become safe drivers. So please do not forget to leave a comment and tell me what are the things that you need help with. And if you did the video, then do give me a thumbs up, my friend. All right, because that encourages me to make more videos. I'll see you again with another video, my friend. Take care.